Hello, happy Father's Day. So I am making now a chocolate rendition of the WASP white almond sour cream cakes. So what you have is chocolate. What I have here is chocolate cake mix, and I have the dark chocolate fudge Duncan Hines. I have a cup of sugar, cup of flour, 3 eggs, 3/4 cup of sour cream. I'm getting ready to put 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, as well as a 1/2 cup of melted butter. I have put also a teaspoon of salt. I have put, now I have to get my vanilla extract. And this vanilla extract that I found out, it's pretty good. It's rather, I think I paid $8 and something, but it's pretty good. I got it off Amazon. So I got to put that in there. A tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm sorry, a tablespoon of vanilla extract. I just don't like the way it come out, but other than that, it's good. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil that I told y'all that, didn't I? Also, I put a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, and the cocoa powder I used is a Toll House. I'm putting a 1/2 cup of cold coffee. That's community coffee that I made. And then also it says to use a 1/2 stick of melted butter. I'm sorry, a 1/2 cup of melted butter. And they said it was 4 ounces. But when I melted that, that was actually a whole 8-ounce thing of butter. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it all. And so you mix this. And so since I bought it up, let's bring this up. Because I want y'all to be able to see up in there. And we mix it all. And we're going to turn it up a little bit. We're going to mix it for 2 minutes. And we're going to add these into our two I got 9-inch cake pans. And the cake pans I have, my cakes will never stick. I purchased them, I think I paid $9 each for them on Amazon. And this is what they look like. And I did order a third one. I'm going to put a link where you can go and buy these if you're interested. See, they're 9 inches. Can't see it, but there's 9 by 2. So, I mean, you just do this just like you do all your other cakes. Separate it and put it in 2 pans. I'm not going to show y'all that because I've shown that many times on just about every cake I've done. But I just wanted to show you this recipe because this is the chocolate cake recipe where you can make it like a bakery cake. And when I'm finished, I'm going to show you what it looks like. And I'm going to link to other videos to show you how I've done it in the past. So happy Father's Day, all you fathers, all those who are playing the role as father, stepdads who take it on the role as dads to kids, those who step in for those fathers who just, you know, haven't found their own way, and the kids and the mothers, or, you know, just need some help, and all the mentors. And I just want to let you all know that we're grateful. A lot of times it'll be the uncles step in and help with the kids. I know my brothers were very, very helpful to my children. Okay, y'all, so have a happy Father's Day. Be blessed. I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like when I'm finished. Bye.